You must protect your privacy in Solana, and that's why I'm going to show you the best way to send Solana or any SPL token like USDC or any meme coin privately, leaving zero trace and breaking the link between wallet A and B, making it untraceable. Forget about bubble maps, forget about people stalking your wallet, forget about everything, and because this is the best method to make it that happen, really cheap, effective, and the most important, private. The tool we are going to use to make these private transfers is Mixer. Mixer is basically a Solana Mixer. Think of Tornado Cash, but in Solana. It's actually the easiest method to make it. It's also really cheap. It's only 0.15% of the total amount as a fee, which is, I think, the best way and actually the cheapest one. It's audited. It's basically have everything you might need in order to protect your privacy in Solana. So I'm just going to show you how that works. We are here in the website. Let me create a new wallet so we can send the money here. A wallet, video, Solana Mixer. Here we have the Solana wallet. As you can see, for sure it's a new wallet, so zero balance. Then we come here. I got my wallet ready with some Solana. I got to Solana here, so I can show you. And we connect to wallet. Connect. We sign a message to connect as usual. And here we go. Now we just need to select what are we transferring. In this case, I'm going to transfer Solana. The sending amount, we can set maximum. In this case, I will set 2. And we set the wallet we are sending to. So it will be the wallet we just created. We copy here and we paste the address. Now we can see the fee is only 0.003 Solana, which is practically nothing. And also we need to add on top of that the transfer fee, which is like the Solana transaction fee, that will be, in this case, 0.000 whatever. Now that's it. We just need to click on send privately. We click on send and we will get the transaction. Here we have the transaction sending to Solana. Confirm. It's loading. It will take a few seconds, but we can see it shows deposit transaction sent. You can see on Explorer how did it go, and there we go. Your transaction was sent successfully. The amount to Solana, the recipient, and the fees. Now we just need to go to our wallet. Here we go. We got the Solana less the fees. And if we go to SolScan and check the wallet, here we have the transaction, we have the Solana. But if we go to transfer, it shows nothing. Really important is that if we open the transaction, for sure we can see that we are receiving SOL. In the balance change, we see that we are receiving SOL. But when we open the transaction, we just see that it's an interaction with a program, basically an interaction with a smart contract. And there is no way that you can see where the money comes from, because the money comes from this wallet, as we can see, but this wallet is just a random account within the smart contract. It's not another wallet you can find. So now, for example, if we go to bubblemaps or we check anywhere, it's not possible to find where did the money come from. And it's like magic, I know, but that's how you can protect your privacy in Solana. That's how you can unlink one wallet to another. That's basically privacy in Solana, and just simply the best way to do it. So that's how easily you can send privately on Solana. That's all for today. If you don't want to miss anything, just subscribe, check other videos. I'm going to teach you how to survive in Solana, how to survive in the trenches, and how to become successful here on chain. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.